Umphathiswa wamaPolisa uSenzo Mchunu uwakhabile kabukhali amabango okungenelela kuphando awatyabekwa nguMkomishinala wamaPolisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Mkhwanazi wenze isidubedube ngecawe ngethuba ethetha nonondaba apho adize khona izityholo zokuba Umchunu noSekela-Mkomishinala wamaPolisa kuzwelonke uLieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya bangenelela emsebenzini wamapolisa kuquka ukuzama ukutshabalalisa igqiza lamapolisa, ukumisa ukuqeshwa kwabantu okunxulumene nobuntlola kunye nokuphazamisa amaxwebhu amatyala. Ngaphaya koko lo kaMkhwanazi utyhola uSibiya ngokunganyaniseki kunye nokujongela phantsi uphando oluqhubekayo. Okanti ke Umchunu noSibiya baphendule ngelithi lamabango abuxoki kwaye alahlekisa.
We have become aware of what General Mkhwanazi said we have been saying. I didn't have time to look at TV, but there are those statements that he has made. We will, in good time, apply our minds to those kind of statements.
I'm not going to behave as a disciplined member of the South African Police Service. I'm not going to follow the path that General Mkhwanazi followed. I'm not going to take the mic and say things that I cannot prove. All I can say is that I will respond. I just need to consult with my legal team and then respond officially. Safe to say that I'm giving him permission to show to the media the evidence that he's talking about. He doesn't need to bring it to me, and if he knows of any criminal offense that has been committed, he must open a case, he must arrest. And if he's got any evidence, I'm giving him permission, I'm giving him permission to share it with you or to show it to any other person that you can trust, to say, where is General Shadrack Sibiya's involvement in criminal activities?